Even with just a few scripts, it's still possible to quickly create a high-quality 3D video. Here's how. Step 1. Open Pandora. Click on Create New to create a new project. Select your favorite scene on the left side, expand to check out more scenes in different categories. Step 2. Choose your avatar. Pandora offers a wide variety of avatars. You can always find the avatar that meets your expectation. Step 3. Tap to add a clip, then enter your scripts and click on 3D Generate. After a few minutes, your video should be good to go. If you'd like to display images or videos corresponding to your scripts, click on Upload above the clip. Then tap on 3D Generate again. Your media will now be displayed on the screen. Isn't it simple? Now, you can directly export your 3D video, or go to Cam Edit, a place to fine-tune your camera shots, or fully presenting contents on the screen. Not satisfied yet? Go to Elements, where you can easily edit media and add some text to create rich, high-quality packaging effects. For more detailed adjustments and advanced features, we'll be covering them one by one in our upcoming practical tutorials. Stay tuned!